Hi my friends, welcome once again to Maverick channel. This is yet another video about the Mavic Mini 2. Guys, someone else have gotten hold of this drone, so it is puzzling my mind. You see this young dude right here, he is a YouTuber. From the first one, we saw that he went into Best Buy and he got his from Best Buy. Well, I don't know how this dude got hold of his, but man, this show is making my head spin inside because I have actually been waiting for this drone and I really want to fly it. I have the Mavic Mini 1 and it is an awesome drone and I can't wait to lay hands on this one. Without wasting much time on that, actually, this drone seems to have so many interesting features that have been added onto this Mavic 2. Firstly, the packaging is different. The size obviously is the same, but now this one comes with the OccuSync 2.0. It has a different remote control, as you can see there. It also comes with 4 spare props and a charging hub for 3 batteries, which charges one at a time. Man, this is something else. How did this guy get his? I am not sure. I will put a link below so that those who are interested can go to his channel and see the video for himself. But man, I will not be surprised if tomorrow somebody else comes up with with another unboxing. And this has never ever happened before. The Mavic Mini 2 is out and roaming about before before its authorized sales date. So guys, let us take a closer look again as he is showing it here. You see, he really has it. It is not fake. It is not fake. Man, how did he get it? I am not sure. He didn't say. So, Roli Lerma, please respond to me. It's Maverick. Tell me how you got this drone. I need one for myself. And I will see you in the air once this thing is authorized to fly. I know that for now you cannot fly it because, let me put it this way, its airspace hasn't been open. So guys, please leave your comments below, subscribe, check this guy's channel out. He is I bet you guys from now hence he will be very much more interested in flying drones, because he said he is not a drone enthusiast. So he'll be much more interested in flying drones. He'll be putting up more videos. Check his channel out. And before you leave, if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to the Maverick channel. And I will see you all in my next video.